Do you need to get a large amount of, let's say, toasted oats into a container with a small top? It's very hard to find a large funnel in the stores, and they might be expensive, especially these days. So this was the top of a vinegar bottle. So you just cut around there. Look how nice it fits. And you get a little cup or something and just pour your oats in there. It works very well. And if you're thinking, why am I making toasted plain oats? Well, it makes a nice topping for other foods. It is also a very economical way to have a healthy cereal. You wouldn't want to eat these raw. Toasting gets them all sanitized. And you could store it either on the counter or in the refrigerator or in the freezer. That's it.